Hi Rebels, so I'm back with another glueless ready to wear wig install. Today's wig is from LUVME Hair Company. They sent over this 7x6 maximum parting space closure wig, and I am super excited to share with you guys the details on this one because it is super convenient and easy to wear. If you're interested in learning all about this wig, just keep on watching. Make a come, make a pom pom pom, make a come, make a keep a tick pom pom pom. Your body kakara, make a pom 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 on a magnetic. Guys, I'm starting with an unboxing. They sent over a purple comb and edge brush with my wig, a mesh wig bag that I can use to store my wig in, as well as an edge band and a nude stocking cap, and a brochure and user guide. Okay, now on to the wig. This wig is their 26-inch maximum parting space 7x6 lace closure wig. This wig came pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-styled for me. And the reason why I was so excited to show you guys this wig is because it is a closure wig. The parting space is 7x6, but it's definitely giving the frontal effect without the hassle of worrying about the ear tabs. So this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. It does fit really snug on my head, and one thing I will say is that the lace is really giving HD. It's laying really nicely. It did come pre-styled, so I'm gonna go ahead and run my fingers through the curls and comb the curls out. So after combing the curls out, I will definitely say this wig is super beginner friendly. Like if you're watching this and you do not know how to do your own wigs, this wig is definitely for you. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of extra in this video, but if you don't know how to do your own wigs and you just want a wig with a lot of parting space that you don't have to do too much with, this wig is perfect. The lace is super HD. I almost forgot to cut it off, y'all, but as you can see here, I'm going in with my scissors and just cutting that lace back a little bit. And because I want the curls to be a little less frizzy, I'm just adding some hair oil to my hands and then rubbing my hands all throughout the hair. And once I put that oil in the hair, you can just see how it shines, how the curls bounce back, how pretty this hair actually is. This hair is super full. That's one thing I will say I love about this wig. And I also really love the lace, y'all. Like the lace is undetectable. I'm gonna go ahead and part it in different spaces just so that you guys can see how much parting space this wig actually has. And remember, this is a closure wig. This is not a frontal. Look at how far back that parting space is, literally to the back of my head. So if you wanted to style this wig in different styles, you definitely can. In this video, I am going to show you guys a style that you can do with this wig. Although I do prefer the wig down, I'm just going to show you guys the versatility of this wig later in the video. Not gonna lie, y'all, this is the first time I got a wig pre-styled, like pre-curled, and I actually loved the way it looked right out of the box without doing anything. As you can see here, I'm standing up so you guys can see just how long this hair is on me. It is 26 inches and I am 5'4", so I'm not that tall, but the hair does come pretty far on me. So before I finish up this look, I am going to add a little baby hairs to the front just to make it look a little bit more natural and give what I wanted to give. I'm using my Ebon edge control, and y'all know I use this same edge control in every video. I kind of swear by it. So yeah, I went ahead and laid that baby hair on the side, and I think it looks so much more natural and a lot better Now it's definitely giving more of the look that I wanted to. Me personally, when I wear glueless wigs, I do still like to spray down the front of the lace just so that it can be like undetectable. But for the purposes of this video and to show you guys just how easy it is to wear, I am not going to be using any sprays or any glues to tack down my lace. So as you see right here, I'm going in and just layering the front of that hair and recurling that front curl.
Purchase your tracks today.
So here is when I noticed that I really should have cut the lace back a little bit more. So I'm going in with my scissors and I'm just cutting it back a little bit in the video. If I do end up reinstalling this wig, I will probably cut the lace back even more, because I do notice after filming the video that I could have cut it back a little bit more, but it looks pretty good. This is right out of the box, y'all. I did not have to do much. So if you're a girly who is not privy to doing your own hair, like I said, this wig will be perfect for you. But guys, I am going to show you another style that you can do with this wig. I am going to show you guys a half up, half down that you can do with your closure wig. Again, guys, this is completely glueless. I'm showing you here. There is no glue on my hair whatsoever. There's no sprays. So this is just me showing you guys what you can do with a glueless wig. Of course, if you would like to glue it down, you could do that as well. I'm pretty sure it would look a lot better if you glue it down. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, I am not gluing it down. So I went ahead with my wax stick just to lay down those flyaways and make the hair super flat on the other side. And now I'm just going ahead and putting that top part in a ponytail. I know y'all can see the lace lifting up, but don't worry, I'm pulling it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the same baby hair that I did on the other side to this side. I'm going to go ahead with my ebon edge control per usual and just lay that down. And this is pretty much what it looks like, completely glueless. Again, guys, this is Love Me Hair Company's Maximum Parting Space 7x6 lace closure wig, pre-styled, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, as always, I will leave the details to this wig as well as Love Me Hair Company's wig website down below in my description box. Leave me some feedback if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, smooches.